What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to make a different kind of video. I wanted to make a video explaining like the history of my car for newer viewers and people who've been watching for a while. This is my 1986 Cutlass. I've had it for a couple of years now, and I wanted to make a video about the history, what we've done to it, what the plans are in the future for it. So if you guys find that interesting, please stick around and let's get to it. All right, I got some notes with me here just to keep me on track, but we originally bought this car, my dad and I, in 2019 in Pennsylvania. I forgot exactly where it was in Pennsylvania, but we got it for $600 off of an app called Let Go. I don't even think the app is a thing anymore. It was kind of like a Facebook Marketplace type deal. We picked the car up and it kind of just sat around for a little bit, and then COVID hit. So during that time, we kind of took advantage of having off of work, and we just kind of started knocking it out. We started with taking the front end off completely, took the whole front clip off. We gutted the motor and transmission from it. It was the crappy 307. It did run, but we had plans for another motor, which I'll talk about soon. We completely stripped everything. We took the brakes off, the control arms, we took the AC out. We put new brakes on it. We put new factory control arms back on it for now. And then during that time as well, we found a 454 big block with a turbo 400, like kind of like a junk motor out of like a 90s pickup truck. So when we picked that up, we were gonna start to work on that too, but things came up with that motor and it kind of just was put on hold for now. During that time as well, my dad's friend was selling a 350 small block Chevy factory. It was all completely stock. So in the meantime, we took that and we stripped that down completely, and we put Pro Max heads on it, an aluminum intake. We got a hydraulic roller lifter cam from Howard's. I don't know the specs, and like I said, if I can find the part numbers somehow, I will throw them on the screen for you guys. But we also got a full MSD ignition system, and we are also running a Holley 670 carburetor. So for the interior, we took all the original stock interior out, and we saw that there was huge amount of holes. There's so many holes in it, so big you can honestly put your hand through it. So we decided to, instead of patching it and putting other plates in the way to just cover the holes, we decided just to cut the whole floor out. We ordered a brand new floor and we welded that whole floor in. Again, we went over it with the PR15 paint after we seam sealed everything and just made sure that the whole floor was solid. We then got seats out of a 2015 Dodge Dart. We also got a center console from, I believe, a Malibu or an Impala, early 2010s. I forgot the years, but it's on like a G-Body forum, so I'm sure you could look it up. Like I said, if I can find it, I'll throw it on the screen for you. We put a big odometer tachometer in there with all the gauges on the pillar, which is pretty cool and unique. We put a new carpet in. That's pretty much it for the interior. I kind of wanted to keep it original, but kind of have my own little spin-off on it. For the rear end, we took I don't even know what the rear end was originally that came with it, but we took that out and we got a cheap 10-bolt 373 gear posi, but we threw that in there, and right now it works perfectly. I did recently just purchase a 9-inch rear end. I'd like to film that. I feel like that'd be pretty cool. To bulletproof the rear end would be one of my goals for the end of this car. For the wheels, I have Cooper Cobras on the back. They are 275 60/15s. And on the front, I have the Cooper Cobras as well, and those are 235 60/15s. We installed the 90-10 shocks from Lakewood. We do have the factory springs though, so the car really does sit pretty high. That's another thing that I would like to go get a lowering kit for it. I feel like that would make the car look a lot better and handle a lot better as well. Finally, my plans for this car. After we did all of this, I still have so much I want to do to it. I want to focus on handling aspect of this car. That's why I bought the wider front tires, to give me better control and steering. I do want to buy the UMI front sway bars, the front frame horn. I do want to get the UMI shock kit, the lowering kit. I also wanted to get the UMI tubular control arms. I want to get the UMI rear shock brace. I'm also still working on building this big block that we've had. Put a lot of money in it, and right now it is a 468, but there's still a lot more that I have to do to that motor. So if that's something you guys would want to see as well, please let me know. But like I said, there's still so much I want to do. I want to do engine work. I want to do suspension work, completely just change the feel and handling of this car as it is. But that's pretty much it. If you guys wanted to watch the journey of me building this car, please like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. I just also wanted to say thank you for watching, supporting, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.